guys, welcome to Haha Makes. Hope everyone's having a great day and you're doing well. Today's recipe, we will be making summer rolls. Now, summer rolls is definitely a great meal or a great appetizer to have during the summer. It's actually something that we typically eat during dinner time. We kind of sit around as a family and as a whole, and we kind of have all the ingredients on the table, deconstruct it, and we kind of construct our own spring rolls. And we kind of dip it in whatever sauce we want. You do fish sauce, peanut sauce, whatever kind of thing. So let's look at our ingredients and get started. So at the Asian store, there's really lots of rice paper that you can typically get for this type of recipe. For me, I typically like to use a three ladies brand. You can get this anywhere. It's relatively inexpensive, probably a couple bucks. For my summer rolls, what we typically like to have in the ingredients inside would be vermicelli. This is pre-cooked. I did everything ahead of time to kind of save time. And I have this little assortment. Here you have some chicken, you have some egg, you have some shrimp, Chinese sausage. You have cut up chives. And here I have my little vegetables. So I like cilantro, I have Thai basil, bean sprouts, and lettuce. And also for spring rolls, you are going to need a little plate of water. The warmer it is, the better it is. Helps with the sniffer. A plate. Like I said, you can use peanut sauce or fish sauce. I like the fish sauce. This is actually homemade at home. It's a little bit of fish sauce, brown sugar, some garlic, some water, boiled, and then this is made. And this can last in the refrigerator for about a couple weeks. And then of course, can't forget chili garlic sauce. So I already have the sauce pre-made here. And let's go ahead and get started. To make a spring roll is actually very easy. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to grab a rice paper. Okay, so look at this. And you're going to dunk it lightly in water. You're not going to over dunk it, you're just going to get wet it like so. Give it a good wet. What I typically like to do is I like to use the lettuce as a base, so that way when you do put other ingredients, it doesn't rip, because this is really delicate and worth it. So I'm going to go and grab my lettuce. Okay. Put some basil. For basil, you can just pull it off the stems. Now I like eating this a lot because it has a lot of textures and a lot of unique flavors, bold flavors, and I think that when you put it all together, it gives it a nice crunch, a nice texture, a nice flavor profile. So it's like an assortment of burst in your mouth. So I have some cilantro going in here. Got some chives going in here. Now because this is a hands-on, make sure everybody's practicing good hygiene. Wash your hands for 20 seconds, front, back, fingers, palms. Making sure your area is clean. Alright, so I got some vermicelli noodles. Now I'm going to put some chicken pieces. Now there are various versions of summer rolls that you can make. Some people use chicken, some people use pork. Sometimes they've also done like some beef stir fried, where you cook at the table and put hot meats in there and eat it. It's really hot. I like that too, but this is my personal go-to. I have an assortment of everything, so I like it a lot. Like that, and then put one or two pieces of these. So now, when you make a spring roll, make sure when you're putting all your ingredients, you're putting the ingredients closest to you, and I would probably say leave about ½ an inch of wrapping paper here to the plate. Make sure this is closest to you, and this is what we're going to do. We're going to grab the end of the rice paper that's closest to you, grab it, use your 4 fingers here, use your thumbs to grab the piece, so I have it here, then use your 4 fingers, making sure that they're clean, use this, push your food against the back of the sheet, pull the back of the sheet in front, and tuck it in. Tuck it in. There you go. Now once you have a nice little tuck, you're going to go ahead and tuck in the sides. Now this isn't like envelope, you don't need to lick it or whatever because it's already pretty wet and it's sticking to itself. Once you wrap the sides, you're going to go ahead and do it again. Wrap it all in. There you go. Now there is a spring roll. So again, we'll start it from here. So we're gonna grab a rice paper. We're just gonna wet the entire sheet like so. Wet it, just dry it, just a little bit of water. Tailor off the back excess water. Put it onto your plate like this. We're gonna leave ½ an inch. Okay, ½ an inch. So we'll grab some lettuce. You can use romaine lettuce. You can use spring mix. You can use any type of lettuce that you typically want. It's just all flavors and depending on what you like. So I got some bean sprouts again. I got some chives. Got some cilantro. I know a lot of people have this allergy where I think it's an allergy where they don't really care for the flavor of cilantro. It tastes like soap to them. I think it's like an enzyme of some sort. So we're gonna go ahead and put some of the basil. Alright, and then now I'm gonna put a little bit of vermicelli. Again, you can put as much as you want in there. The spring roll is gonna come out to the size depending on how much ingredients you put in. Put some chicken here. 2 pieces of little shrimpies. Some Chinese sausage. Scrambled eggs, and I think that's great. So what we're going to do is, now once you have all your ingredients ready, you're going to put your 2 thumbs underneath the sheet, the rice paper right here. Okay, you're going to use the 4 fingers, fold your ingredients, pull the back sheet and fold your ingredients. As you're pulling the back sheet to the front, you're pushing your ingredients inside and fold it in. There you go. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and push this sides in here so it kind of wraps up the end so it doesn't fall out. Like this and like this. All right. Now there you have it. Try this. So I made some homemade fish sauce with some chili sauce. All right. Dip it in. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. Mm. So this is what it looks like. All right. Hope you guys have a great day. Enjoy. See you later.